Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wan Muhammad Adib Deraman. My metric number is S55463. Today I will going to present my final year project, which is the title is Study on Green Performance Criteria for Sustainable Port in Malaysia, which is I choose Port Tanjung Pelepas and Johor Port for my research. In this study, there are several research scopes that are studied. The first is introduction, the second, the problem of research, third, research objective, fourth, research question, fifth, literature review, sixth, methodology, seventh, result and discussion, eighth, conclusion, nine, Gantt chart, and 10, reference. Firstly, we go to the introduction. Environmental pollution is one of the problems that occur due to the port activities. The solution to this problem is the establishment of green ports. Green port can be defined as a framework to sustainability development concentrated in port activity. A green port invests and promotes environmentally friendly and sustainable operations in all forms of the port and marine sector. Malaysia is a successful country in running green ports. Next, we go to the research problem. The first one is the implementation of green port result is in increased cost to port infrastructure. Second, change to new environmental technologies, thus raising concerns over port sustainability. And third, the port's environmental performance has significant implications not only for surrounding city environment but also the marine environment. Next, we go to the research objective. In this research, we have two research objectives. The first one is to identify the green performance indicators for sustainable ports. The second research objective is to measure green performance of major port in Malaysia, which is Johor Port and Port Tanjung Pelepas. Next, we go to the research question. There are two research questions in this research. The first one is what are the indicators for the green performance of sustainable ports? And the second is how do major ports perform according to green performance indicators? Next, we go to the literature review. Literature review is made according to keywords. There are three keywords that have been selected. Among them are green port, sustainable port, and green performance criteria. For the first keyword, which is green port, a green port is a port that invests and encourages in environmentally friendly and sustainable operations in all formats and of the port and maritime industry. Different ports will have different perspectives on actual sustainable operations. Generally, there are new green technologies and low and zero carbon alternatives to fossil fuels and power-intensive terminal equipment. For the second keyword is sustainable port. Port sustainability is defined as the strategies and activities implemented by a port to meet the current and future needs of those who use it, while protecting and conserving human and natural resources, whereas green ports only focus on environmental issues. Port sustainability considers social, economic, and environmental issues. For the last keyword in this literature review is green performance criteria. A performance measurement system to evaluate and improve port green performance criteria needs to be implemented. The methods used will assist port authorities in measuring their environmental performance, identifying areas for improvement, and allocating money to develop and improve their environmental performance. Next, we go to the methodology. This is a flow diagram that has been used by me in preparing the study. To complete the data, I have used analytical hierarchy process AHP in analyzing the data. AHP is one of the most popular decision-making technique under the multiple attribute decision-making MADM approach. These are the main criteria and sub-criteria that have been collected by me to be analyzed in the AHP system. Next, we go to the result and discussion. After being analyzed using the AHP technique, I got the desired result. Schedule shows the ranking of the main criteria for sustainable port in Malaysia. The first ranking falls to environmental quality with a weight value of 0.4546, while the second place is the use of energy resource with a weight value of 0.4240. Next, the third place goes to habitat quality and greenery with a weight value of 0.1214, and the fourth place falls to waste handling with a weight value of 0.1031. Table 6 shows the ranking orders of sub-criteria for sustainable port in Malaysia. Lastly, we go to the conclusion. The most influential effects were identified through AHP involving for experts. The findings of this study are significant for decision makers in determining green port performance criteria for sustainable port in Malaysia. From another perspective, a sustainable port does not only mean for the environment, it covers social and economic as well. This research work has certain limitations. This is the Gantt chart for completing this research, and this is the sum of reference that I use to find information to complete this research. That's all from me. Thank you.